In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Chat app not working. So first thing that you need to do is go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Google Chat. Here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply click on Update. Once it's updated, you can simply click on Open and your app will start working. If it is still not working, one thing that you can do is click on Settings. Scroll down below until you find Apps, click on it. Then go to App Management. In the search bar, search for Chats. Then click on Google Chat. Here go to Storage Uses. Then you will find Clear Data and Clear Cache written in bright red. Make sure you click on Clear Cache. Open your control center. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection. And also make sure that your airplane mode is not turned on. After that, you can simply try to relaunch Google Chat and it will start working. If it is still not working, then what you can do is simply click and hold on to Google Chat icon. Then click on Uninstall. Then reinstall your app, log in and you will be able to use it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.